So what we have here today is just a normal patio slab, and the concept is to be able to paint this off and see what comes out from painting it. I've been looking for a normal slab paint, but I can't find any. Just popped into my local DIY shop and I've picked up one of these. It's a masonry paint. So I've just picked up one of these. It's a Sandex exterior paint. It's got a micro seal and it's just ultra smooth. Going for the gravel. Just want to use it and kind of match the fence. But yeah, so this is a before. So this is what the color looks like, the Sandex one. This is what we have. Get this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for it to dry and see whether we need to recoat it, but it's quite thick. Find out later. You want to know my verdict? Just do it. It's a nice sunny day, so I'm hoping it dries. It says it's got about 3 to 4 hours of drying time, so I'm hopeful. By the time we come back, it should be all dried up. What do you think? Leave a comment. And there is the after. So the before. Need 3 to 4 hours of drying time now. I think it looks a little bit fresh. Ready for summer. So if you want to do it, feel free. You can attach a picture of yours in the comment section below if you manage. So it's barely 2 hours since we completed this. I can work on it. I think it's all dried up now. So it's just like 2 hours since we did it. So you need about 3 to 4 hours, but the sun is shining today, and I think it's all pretty much dried up. I've gone down to the brick. Seems to be much coming out from it. Just thinking of giving it another coating, but I think we just leave it like this. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, we're finished, and this is where we're good now. So this is what the painted slab look like afterwards. So yeah, if you want to paint it, I'll say go ahead. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. More DIY videos and reviews to come your way. Have a nice day.